or it changes the compression ratios, my friends. Depending on what you need in the driving situation. Sometimes you need more power. Once you select the answer, that will be your answer. Game changer. Last, certainly not least, the person or persons walking away with the GTR Lego set will get the most correct, the quickest. The most correct, the quickest. We all down with that? Los Angeles, so you're ready to win some prizes here with these on. Look at 315. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. GTR Lego set on the line. Question number one.
Motor E. First OB drive.
2025 Toronto. Behind these beautiful people has a world-class engine that does this. Timer starts right now. Uses invented coolant to make ice. Changes compression ratios or can run on runners, powered gel packets. It's probably not the last one. Yeah. Sounds silly? That's good as it is. You guys get a minute in time? You get it in? Where's the clip? Okay. What you guys put over here? You got a guess? Changes compression ratios. Well, the technical name of the engine is a...
Wala. Hold mo.
Yun.
Yeah. Tapos wireless charging, ano? Hindi. Secret ano.
Secret sana, pwede kang ano.
Ito ang wireless charging, ano.
Parang gusto
Phone
ko
charger
to,
daw. Oh, ang ganda nga nito.
Parang gusto ko to. Okay na sa akin.
Pili na to. Oh. Oh. Wow.
Ganun din kaya?
Oh, lupit. Nissan Ariya. Ganda ng mga electric, ano?
Tayong ano? Left, right?
Ganda, oh. Ganda ng design. Micro curve pa siya.
Walang left. May yung camera.
Ganda ng ano, futuristic, ah.
Ano yan? Yung?
Ano siya, parang switch ng drive.
Ganun na.
Ganda nga.
Pero gusto ko yung sayang pag ginaganon mo.
Yung camera.
Nakikita yung camera.
Ano eh. May warning naman eh pag ano.